10 game-changing summer travel hacks you need to know. Summer's calling, and so are overpriced flights, chaotic airports, and that one guy who still doesn't understand how TSA works. But don't worry, we've got your back. Whether you're flying to a beach, a bucket list city, or just trying to survive economy without sacrificing your sanity. And remember to like and subscribe to not miss out on more travel hacks. These 10 travel hacks will change the way you fly forever. We're talking real tips, backed by real data and served with a side of spicy jokes. So buckle up, make sure your seat is in the upright position, and let's dive into the ultimate guide to surviving summer travel like a pro. Let's go. 10. Plan ahead and set those fare alerts. Coming in at number 10, let's talk smart booking. Airfares can be as unpredictable as a toddler on a sugar rush, but a little planning helps. Pro tip, book your flights on a Sunday. Surprised? Expedia found that booking on Sunday saves around 20% on domestic flights compared to the Friday frenzy. It's like airlines say, sorry for the Monday blues, here's a cheaper ticket. Also, book early, especially for summer trips. Travelers who booked about 5 months in advance saved up to 35% compared to last-minute bookers. So if you're eyeing a July getaway, start searching in February. Channel that winter boredom into summer plans. We live in the age of apps, so use them. Set price alerts on platforms like Google Flights or Hopper, and let technology do the stalking. You'll get notified when that $600 flight drops to $350. Sweet. The key takeaway, a little patience and planning can save you cash. Snagging a great deal means more money for pina coladas on the beach, right? Takeaway, start early, set fare alerts, and remember, weekends, especially Sunday, are for booking bargains. You've secured a killer flight deal. Now let's make sure you pick the right flight. Buckle up for hack number 9 coming at you next. 9. Fly at off-peak times to outsmart the crowds. Number 9 is all about timing your travel. You've heard the early bird catches the worm, but in travel, it's all about catching the flight. If you can handle a 5 a.m. alarm, early morning flights are your friend. Year-to-date stats show flights after 3 p.m. have an 18% higher chance of cancellation. As the day goes on, thunderstorms brew and delays pile up. Those painfully early departures, they're less likely to leave you stranded in Terminal C with only stale peanuts. It's not just the hour. The day of the week matters too. Sundays are usually the priciest days to fly, while Thursdays can save you 10 to 15% on fares. Fewer people fly midweek, meaning cheaper seats and a bit more elbow room in economy. Imagine that. Plus, airports are less chaotic on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, making security a breeze. So what's the game plan? If you can swing it, fly out midweek and aim for morning flights. Sure, that means an early wake up and possibly flying on a workday, but your future self, sipping a drink at your destination, will thank you. Takeaway, opt for sunrise takeoffs and midweek travel for fewer crowds and more peace of mind. All right, so you've booked the perfect flight at the perfect time. Next challenge, navigating the airport without losing your cool. On to hack number 8, where we turn you into a security line VIP. 8. Breeze through security like a VIP. Hack number 8 is all about conquering the TSA gauntlet. We all dread the winding lines, the shuffle of removing shoes and belts, and that one person with a giant shampoo bottle. But fear not, you can speed through security with a few savvy moves. First, consider investing in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. It's like a VIP pass for security. With PreCheck, you stroll through without taking off your shoes or jacket, and your laptop stays in your bag. The TSA aims to keep PreCheck lines under 10 minutes, while regular lines can take up to 30. Imagine gliding past the crowd like you're in the fast lane. Feels good, right? Even without PreCheck, you can prep like a pro. Wear slip-on shoes. You'll thank yourself. And keep your electronics and toiletries easily accessible. Pro tip, an empty reusable water bottle saves you $5 and shows you're a seasoned traveler. Lastly, check for shorter security checkpoints. And don't forget that a smile can go a long way with TSA agents. Takeaway, streamline your routine. If you travel often, PreCheck is a game changer. If not, be organized and channel those Zen vibes. You've made it past security in record time. Congrats. Now, as you stroll toward your gate, you might feel a pang of thirst or hunger. But wait, don't get ripped off by airport prices. That brings us to hack number 7, saving your wallet one water bottle at a time. Also like the video and subscribe to get more tips and hacks. 7. BYO bottle and snacks. Don't pay $9 for water. Time for hack 7, a hydration and snacking strategy that'll make you say, why didn't I do this sooner? Picture this. You're through security and there's a bottle of water glowing with a 6 price tag. Airport food prices are highway robbery. Bottled water can cost 2 to 3 times more than at a grocery store, and a basic sandwich or beer can set you back 6 price tag. It's like they've added an altitude tax before you even board, but you, savvy traveler, won't fall for that. The hack is simple. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle. TSA allows empty bottles, so after security, fill it at a water fountain or hydration station. Boom, water for your flight at $0. Pack your own snacks too. Instead of shelling out for overpriced trail mix, bring granola bars, nuts, or even that leftover pizza. No shame. As long as it's solid food, you're good to go. And if you must buy airport food, look for combo deals. But honestly, having your own stash is cost-effective and comforting. There's nothing better than enjoying your turkey sandwich mid-flight while others eye their credit cards. Takeaway, bring a reusable water bottle and snacks. Your taste buds and wallet will thank you. With your hunger and thirst handled, let's talk baggage. Specifically, how to avoid bringing everything and the kitchen sink on your trip. Up next, hack number 6 will turn you into a carry-on packing ninja. 6. Master the art of packing light. Carry on like a pro. Hack 6 is for everyone who's ever sat on their suitcase to zip it up. We see you. It's time to pack smarter, not heavier. Fun fact, nearly 45% of Americans admit to overpacking. Yes, almost half of us toss in that just-in-case outfit or extra sandals we won't wear. Overpacking makes your bag heavier and risks overweight fees, so why do that to yourself? Vacation. You want to be footloose and baggage-free. Embrace the carry-on life. Challenge yourself. Can you travel for a week or two with just a carry-on and a personal item? The benefits are huge. Skip check-in lines, avoid $50 plus fees, and no more waiting at baggage claim, hoping your suitcase isn't lost. Start with a packing list of essentials and pack versatile pieces. Roll your clothes or use packing cubes. It's Tetris time. Wear your bulkiest shoes and layer your heaviest jacket on the plane. If you're worried about running out of clothes, most places have laundry services. Remember, lighter luggage means less strain and more mobility. Takeaway, ditch the kitchen sink. Aim for carry-on only with versatile outfits, and your spine, time, and wallet will thank you. Now that you've slimmed down your packing, let's make sure whatever luggage you do bring actually stays with you. Ever had a bag lost by an airline? Not fun. Hack number 5 will show you how to keep tabs on your stuff. 5. Never lose your luggage. Use tech and tags. Halfway through, at number 5, let's talk about keeping your belongings safe when you fly. There's nothing worse than arriving in Honolulu only to find your suitcase lounging in Los Angeles. Airlines mishandled over 7 million bags. Recently, yep, million with an M. While the odds are usually in your favor, you don't want to be that unlucky traveler, especially during summer vacation. So what's the hack? Track it and tag it. Start with a sturdy luggage tag that hides your info, but still shows your name and contact details. Make it distinctive with a bright color or a unique ribbon. After all, how many black suitcases are out there? The real game changer? A GPS tracker like Apple AirTag or Tile. Just slip one into your suitcase, and if it doesn't show up, you can check your phone to see, oh look, it's still in Denver. Also, carry on essentials like medications, important documents, and a change of clothes. This way, if your luggage is delayed, you can survive a day or two. Takeaway, label your bags clearly and use a tracker. You'll travel much calmer, knowing you can locate your luggage with a tap on your phone. Your luggage is under control. Now let's talk about freebies. Who doesn't love free miles, upgrades, and lounge access? Hack number 4 is all about leveraging loyalty and perks to travel in style, or at least with a few extra bucks saved. 4. Leverage points and perks. Coming in at number 4, travel hacking with loyalty programs. Think of all the flights you've taken. Each one could earn you miles or points for free trips or upgrades, yet many ignore these programs. Did you know only about 8% of frequent flyer miles are ever redeemed? That means 92% are just sitting there, expiring like forgotten leftovers. Don't be that person. Sign up for frequent flyer programs. With any airline you use regularly, it's free. And actually use those miles. Rack them up whenever you fly. Many airlines are part of the alliances, so you can consolidate your miles. Consider a travel credit card that offers points, or miles with juicy sign-up bonuses and earns points for everyday spending. Now, the perks. Many airline credit cards offer free checked bags, priority boarding, and lounge passes. Use a typical airline card to waive baggage fees, and you've offset a chunk of the annual fee. Even if you're an occasional traveler, those miles add up. Instead of letting them expire, redeem them for a fun trip or an upgrade. Takeaway: treat your miles like cash. Earn them and spend them. Don't leave that 92% of rewards on the table. Now that you've got the system gamed for free travel, let's make sure your body can handle all these adventures. Jet lag can be a real party pooper on summer trips abroad. Hack number 3 is here to help you beat jet lag like a seasoned globetrotter. 3. Outsmart jet lag and arrive energized. Hack number 3 is a lifesaver for anyone crossing multiple time zones. Beat jet lag before it beats you. Jet lag is your body saying, "Why is morning night?" Fun fact: it takes about 1 day per time zone to adjust. So if you fly from New York to Rome, 6-hour difference, you could feel off for 6 days, basically your whole vacation. Start adjusting before you leave. A few days prior, gradually shift your bedtime toward your destination's time. Going east, sleep an hour earlier. Going west, stay up later. Use sunlight strategically. If traveling east, expose yourself to morning light. If west, soak up afternoon light to stay awake. On the flight, hydrate and skip alcohol. Airplane cabins are dry, and dehydration worsens fatigue. Drink water like it's your job. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. They mess with sleep. Consider melatonin, which can help realign your body clock. A small dose before your target bedtime can nudge your brain to sleep at the new nighttime. Once you land, force yourself onto the local schedule. Get outside and keep busy until a reasonable bedtime. Takeaway: adjust your sleep schedule, stay hydrated, and use tools like melatonin to enjoy your trip instead of nodding off at 3 p.m. You're refreshed and in sync with local time. But what if something else goes wrong, like a flight delay or cancellation? Don't panic. Hack number 2 is all about expecting the unexpected and coming out on top when travel plans hit a bump. 2. Have a backup plan for delays and cancellations. At number 2, let's tackle the not-so-fun part of travel. Delays and cancellations. Summer travel can be chaotic. Storms pop up, flights get oversold, and suddenly you're stuck in an airport with frustrated travelers. Flight delays or cancellations stress out 65% of travelers, even more than lost luggage. First, cushion your schedule. If you must be somewhere at a specific time, fly in a day early. Avoid tight connections. Give yourself at least an hour between flights. Yes, it might mean a longer layover, but it beats watching your next flight take off as you taxi to the gate. If your flight is delayed or canceled, be proactive. Call the airline's customer service while waiting in line, or use their app's live chat. Airlines often respond faster on social media too. Send a polite message with your booking info. Know your rights. In the EU, long delays or cancellations may entitle you to compensation. In the US, if you get bumped from an oversold flight, you can also receive compensation. Lastly, consider travel insurance for big trips. It can cover hotels, meals, and rebooking fees. Takeaway: hope for sunny skies, but prepare for storms. With a backup plan, you'll conquer travel hiccups like a boss. Deep breath. We've covered a lot of ground, but the final and perhaps most game-changing hack is coming up. It's something you are rather than something you do. Ready for it? Drum roll. 1. Kill them with kindness. The ultimate upgrade hack. Here we are at number 1. Surprise. It's not a fancy app or secret trick. It's your attitude. The ultimate travel hack is simply be kind, patient, and friendly. Travel can be stressful for everyone, but a good attitude can take you far, possibly even first class. Former flight attendant Kat Camelani says that small gestures like saying hello or smiling can make you a candidate for surprise perks. Polite passengers often get free upgrades just for making a positive impression. Another flight attendant mentioned that last-minute upgrades often go to friendly travelers. Kindness creates a chain reaction. If you approach a gate agent calmly during a delay, they're more likely to help you out. A smile at the hotel front desk might land you a nicer room. This hack isn't about manipulation. It's about creating a positive atmosphere. When you're optimistic and crack jokes about travel absurdities, you lighten the mood for everyone. Even if you don't score an upgrade, being kind keeps you calmer amid chaos. Consider carrying small tokens of appreciation, like gift cards or chocolates, to spread good karma. Takeaway: treat everyone with kindness and patience. Positivity is contagious. Your smile might just be your golden ticket. And there you have it. 10 game-changing summer travel hacks to level up your next trip. From scoring cheap flights and breezing through security, to packing like a minimalist and beating jet lag, and ending with the simple power of politeness. These tips cover you from booking to landing. Summer travel doesn't have to be a hot mess of long lines, lost bags, and cranky flyers. With a little know-how and a dash of humor, you'll navigate airports and airplanes like a seasoned pro. So next time you're headed out on a summer adventure, remember these hacks. May your flights be on time, your luggage arrive safely, your snacks be plentiful, and your upgrades be free. Now go forth and enjoy your vacation. You've got the tools to make it smooth and memorable. Happy travels, and see you in the friendly skies. If you like tips and hacks like this, subscribe because we have much more in store for you. Thank you for watching.